Have here today is it's a vintage GE fan. Oh, it might be a GE or it might be a Hampton Bay Landmark. Old one. Like the rest of the fans in this house. 90s or 80s. I put it in the 80s. Light obviously works. And so that's a pull for that. I don't think I need a flashlight for this. Go ahead and set the fan onto low. And good thing it's a single capacitor because the motor does hum considerably. I think all these are single or double capacitors. In fact, I'll just go ahead and set the camera down like so. You're not gonna see it. Still any confidence. Put her on the high speed. Yeah, higher. Actually makes a decent breeze. I didn't want to offend the firm over there. I'll finish in the bathroom unfortunately, but oh well. It has black pools. Kind of interesting. Weird woodcutter. Set it back to the original settings. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and more to come.